In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this REALME. First of all, go into Tap menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you see this kind of pop-up, to disable location, select close. So now when I go back, as you can see, location of my REALME is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same now white shortcut. You can also go into settings, scroll down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to location feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!